Hey cruisers, I'm Sherry with CruiseTipsTV.com. Today we're going to take a look at the luxurious Royal Suite on Navigator of the Seas. Again, I'm traveling without my cameraman, so the footage is a bit shaky. Sorry about that. The first thing that catches my attention here is the striking grand piano. Then there's this lovely sitting area complete with comfy couches and a flat screen TV. To the left, we have this beautiful dining area that's just crazy spacious for a cruise ship. The wall art is also very nice in this suite. To the left of the dining area is the bar, stocked with an espresso machine and glassware. Now let's step into this massive bedroom. There are nightstands on both sides of this king bed for storage. Over here, we have another flat screen TV and some storage below that. Moving on, we come to another sitting area, and this is the door to one of the balcony exits. If you open these curtains, you're likely to get some fantastic views. Here's a quick look at the desk area where you'll find the phone, outlets, and a data port. Now onto the closet. We've got some storage here, including the push-button safe, tons of space for hanging clothes, as well as a few bathrobes. Lastly, there's a dresser with a large mirror. And now check out this beautiful bathroom, complete with an enormous jetted tub, and a spacious two-person shower. There's a sitting area to the left here, and a dual sink vanity with lots of additional storage. These sinks are just gorgeous. This area also features a bidet. And finally, here's a little peek at what I'm calling the guest bathroom, situated near the entrance to the suite. Now we'll close out the video with this incredible balcony. As you can see, it's enormous, and it's certainly where I'd be spending most of my time if I had the opportunity. That's it for this one. Please be sure to click subscribe before you go, and follow us on Instagram for more coverage of our Royal Caribbean voyage on Navigator of the Seas. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.